The question of the day is, show that the semi-vertical angle of the cone of maximum curved surface area that can be inscribed in a given sphere of radius r is this. तो आपका एक कोन इंस्क्राइब्ड है एक स्फेयर में whose radius is given. So कोई भी चीज अगर आपको गिवन होती है तो दैट इज कैन बी कंसीडर्ड एज कांस्टेंट. सो द रेडियस ऑफ द स्फेयर इज गिवन, सो r can be considered as constant. Now a cone is inscribed whose curved surface area is maximum. So this is your cone. Let h be the height of the cone. Let o be the center of the sphere. So this can be r and this can also be written as r. Now let r be the radius of the cone, okay, and let l be the slant height of the cone. Now you have to show that the semi-vertical angle of the cone is this, of maximum curved surface area. So let alpha be the semi-vertical angle. Let alpha be the semi-vertical angle so you have to show that alpha is equals to tan inverse of 1 by root 2. आपको ये शो करना है and you are given that the curved surface area of the cone is maximum. So the curved surface area of the cone is pi r l. Now to find to make it maximum, you have to first make it in one variable, but here two variables are here, so we can write L as r square plus h square. Now do you have any relation between r and h so that you can replace one variable in terms of others? Let us see that this is the height of the cone and this is r and this is h, so we can write this as h minus r and in this small OAB triangle, in triangle OAB we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So r square is equals to capital R square plus h minus r square, that can be minus. So this can be written as 2rh minus h square. So this is one of the relation, we can write it as 1, and using this we can replace r here. So write it down, c as pi, r is root of 2rh minus h square and r square plus h square can be written as 2rh, root of 2rh. So c is a function in h. Now this is to make it this curved surface area maximum, you have to differentiate it twice, and this function is very complicated to differentiate it twice. So we are going to maximize, we will maximize c square. So let c square is a function of h, which is a function of h, is pi square into 2rh into 2rh minus h square or we can write it as 2 pi square r, h को आप अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे, सो 2r h square minus h cube. Now differentiate it first. then it will give you 2 pi square r 4r h minus 3h square. For critical points, equated 0, first derivative is equals to 0, then you will get one of the critical point from here, and that is h is equals to 4r upon 3. So this is one of the critical point. Let take it as second statement. Now we are going to check whether it is a point of maxima or minima. So, differentiate your function again. So second derivative of this function will be 2 pi square r into 2r 4r minus 6h. Okay. Now you have to check your second derivative at this point, 4r upon 3. Now your second derivative at this point will be 2 pi square r into 4r minus 6h की वैल्यू आपकी 4r upon 3 है, and that will give you 2 pi square r into 4r minus 8r, and that is minus 4r, and this is a negative quantity. So the second derivative at this point is negative. That will imply that this is a point of maxima. And you have to find the semi-vertical angle when your curved surface area is maximum. So you have to find the value of semi-vertical angle at when h is equals to 2r upon 3. Now to find out the value of alpha, you can, अल्फा कैसे आ सकता है? आप एक ट्राइंगल में को कंसीडर करो, अल्फा के अंदर अगर आप r और h के अंदर कोई रिलेशन निकाल पाएं तो आप अल्फा निकाल पाएंगे. सो सॉल्व 1 and 2. सॉल्विंग 1 and 2. Your first statement is r square is equals to 2rh minus h square, and second is h is equals to 4r upon 3. So you are going to find replace r here. So r can be written as 3h upon 4. Substitute the value of r here. R square is equals to 2. R is 3h upon 4 h minus h square, and that is r square is equals to 3 by 2 h square minus h square, and that is 1 by 2 h square. So to find the value of tan alpha is, this is base, this is perpendicular, r by h. So your r square by h square can be written as 1 by 2, and r by h can be written as 1 by root 2. And what is r by h? R is perpendicular and h is base for this triangle whose angle is alpha. So this can be written as tan alpha. Tan alpha is equals to 1 by root 2. So alpha will be equals to tan inverse of 1 by root 2. And this is what you have to show, that the semi-vertical angle is tan inverse of 1 by root 2.